So today's Sunday. I called a bunch of Governor Inslee's people again today, and this time on the voicemails, I stated that I needed his assistance to be able to access human trafficking resources, programs, and funds, because within accessing those things, it provides me everything I need to reach my goals, which is legal accountability with my abusers, financial help, housing, counseling, supportive services, if need be, relocation, legal help, where the lawyers actually do the filings and legally protect me. Um, Case management, um, and with human trafficking survivor rights, it is very strict around privacy, safety, and things like that, right down to landlords. And so there's a reason why I'm specifically asking all of Governor Inslee's people, Patty Murray's people, and Marie Cantwell's people for assistance to be able to access my human trafficking survivor resources, services, and programs. Not one person has still come and talked to me. The parking lot was full today. I saw some people go inside the building, but there's a big street fair going on. It shows that human trafficking is not such a bad thing. Like, people are so desensitized and dehumanized that they could listen to me scream for 3 weeks straight, day and night, until I lost my voice, about two people that told me how much they enjoyed watching my rape video, and they were going to continue to watch my rape video, and they kept continuing to harass me. And so I would scream for 3 weeks every day right next to City Hall, during day and night. People would hear it, see it, and they just shake their head and walk on. They would say I was crazy. They'd say I was on drugs, as to discredit the trauma that I had survived, instead of actually approaching, trying to help and assist, which one would think people would. When I put human trafficking victim up on my tent, people would get out of their cars and look at it and shiver with uncomfort, and then turn around and walk away. And now it's become a thing where it's like a norm. They don't even recognize it. Still, not one person has come and talked to me. The other day, when I was screaming about being a human trafficking victim right next to City Hall, all day and all night, the same people who listened to me scream about being raped and harassed over it, they were concerned about my anger with me screaming the words I was about around my trafficking. They were more concerned about me screaming about the trafficking and the anger that goes with it. But that was to cover the fact that a human trafficking victim is screaming next to City Hall. It had nothing to do with actually helping me or any concern. Because if they had concern, their concern would have been when I was camped here screaming about being raped and currently harassed over it. So to now show any concern is just to show trying to cover balls. I was very clear on what I said in the voicemails. I stated my Polaris Human Trafficking number, my name, my phone number. Camped next to City Hall. Have human trafficking victim painted all over my tent. Case info, and I said I need help accessing human trafficking services, funds, and programs, and getting my human trafficking acknowledged. Now, I understand if the governor can't make people in a county acknowledge something, but I'm pretty sure he can. However, if he cannot, he could still get me the ability to access the human trafficking services, programs, and funds. So, have a good day. Thank you very much.